Thanks for joining my channel today. I want to introduce you to some methods of growing food in the north. Woo! So excited that we have a greenhouse built. Yeah. And I'm just preparing to put a raised bed here in the rocks, right up above the creek. I like this spot because the water comes down and it pools in between the rocks, and then it goes down into the creek, and I get my water from the creek to water the garden. To introduce to you some methods of growing here in the north of all kinds of different vegetables and fruits. I'm going to show you how to graft fruits, seed the fruits, the vegetables, how to germinate, how to keep them alive, how to water, and and how to take some general good notes and predict the future for next year of what you should do to prepare for the winter here, because it's going to get cold.
I believe I can fly.
Whoa. Whoa. I started this garden in February. I see a lot of green in here. Like, it almost smells like compost, but it just smells like really, really good soil.
I can fly.
You can see the soil that I've been making is very nutritious. It's full of all of that calcium, proteins. Like, I've been putting eggs, and eggshells and stuff in it. It's all. I do believe it's a squash. I'm not sure. It looks like there's two. Because they often do plant more than one seed together. In this case, this pea here, I experimented in the corner. And then I put these ones here, 3 together. I've got some trays of germination happening here. Looks like peas and spinach. These little pea shoots that fall off the top, you can actually eat these. So if you see one, don't be sad, just eat it. Alright, so this is the garden that I began here. This is a good example. It's like a box. It's just a box of goodness. It's full of all of that calcium, proteins. Like, I've been putting eggs and eggshell. So we have sweet peas. Greenhouse. It's doing awesome. I made it. I really love my grandma. Please subscribe and share, and give some love to your grandma for me. Bye. God bless you.